Hey Shockers, my name is Kristyn Waits and I'm going to tell you about my experience here at Wichita State University. I graduated from Wichita State in 2014 with a Bachelor's of Fine Arts in Graphic Design. I have a second degree from the College of Innovation Design at Wichita State. I have a Master's of Innovation Design, which I got in 2019. This master's program is incredible. One of my favorite experiences during my time as a grad student here at Wichita State was the experiential learning that we got to do. One example in particular, we had an in-class assignment where we were participating in a Johnson & Johnson design challenge. Ultimately, our team ended up getting selected as one of the top teams. We got to travel down to New Orleans and give a pitch of our presentation and of our idea for the new product design. At Wichita State Grad School, every program has those experiential learning opportunities, and so that's what I really enjoyed about my experience at WSU. My biggest piece of advice to anybody that's thinking about doing grad school at Wichita State, or if you're already here as a grad student, is to be willing to be uncomfortable and be willing to say yes to new opportunities.